Wait, did you just hear that? Yes, even AI can laugh, cough, and sound human. That's the power of Google AI Studio Text to Speech. Imagine what that means for storytellers, faceless YouTubers, content creators, even business owners who need emotional voiceovers. This tool is for you. And guess what? The voice you're hearing right now is powered by it. Full tutorial on my YouTube channel to show you exactly how to use it. Check the link in the comment section now or the link in my bio. And don't forget to subscribe because you don't want to miss the next powerful video coming next.